This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. A vision statement outlines the market position that an organization anticipates acquiring in the future. It is often concise and offers directions that should be followed by the organization. However, it does not give details of how organizational goals should be achieved. It helps employees to be focused and also motivates them. A mission statement, on the other hand, is general and focuses on the overall reason behind the existence of an organization. It states why an organization engages in its current activities and strives to maintain certain qualities that define the organization. Therefore, it is important for an organization to follow certain criteria as it designs its mission and vision statements to portray its true value. Criteria for designing an appropriate mission statement. An appropriate mission statement justifies the existence of an organization. It highlights the organization's current activities and the needs of customers it endeavors to meet in the future. It also defines the customers, goods, and services required to satisfy their needs. The following are the criteria that an organization should follow in order to design an appropriate mission statement. An appropriate mission statement should be straightforward and brief and must have a sharp focus. This is because a mission statement that is stated in generic terms makes it difficult for people to understand it. An appropriate mission statement should focus on the market and customers' needs. It should give a clear explanation of how an organization plans to meet the needs of its clients. An appropriate mission statement should show the prevailing market environment. This implies that it should not contain information that does not relate to the prevailing market environment because this makes it unpopular. An appropriate mission statement should inspire and motivate employees by making them feel valued and respected. An appropriate mission statement should be derived from an organization's competitive advantage. This emanates from a good knowledge of the outstanding resources and skills of the organization, which other organizations cannot implement. Justification of the criteria. The above criteria are important in designing a mission statement because they enable an organization to understand its customers and look for ways of ensuring that the customers are satisfied. A mission statement designed on the basis of the criteria described above helps an organization to adopt the prevailing market trends. It also assists an organization in reinforcing its organizational strengths in order to achieve a competitive advantage in the market. These criteria ensure that organizational activities are clearly outlined in the mission statement, customers are defined, and a justification for the organization's existence is provided. As a result, this increases the focus and commitment of employees. Criteria for designing an appropriate vision statement. A mission statement is restricted to an organization's current activities, while a vision statement paints a picture of the organization's future. A vision statement addresses future customers, markets, competitiveness, and performance of the organization. The design of an appropriate vision statement follows the criteria below. An appropriate vision statement should exhibit the boldness of an organization in achieving goals that might seem difficult to achieve. It should make employees feel that they own the organization. An appropriate vision statement should capture the future by providing a clear picture of where an organization should be in the future. It should outline future plans of the organization and the customer's needs it intends to address. An appropriate vision statement should motivate employees by clarifying the focus of customers as well as the market. It should also identify capabilities that an organization should pursue. An appropriate vision statement should inspire employees by portraying an image that excites them. It should also make them enthusiastic and expose them to challenges that make them more committed to organizational activities. The purpose of an organization should guide an appropriate vision statement. This implies that it should be designed to portray employees as the organization's most important assets rather than insignificant parties. Justification of the criteria. The above criteria are important in formulating a vision statement because they strengthen the abilities and competencies of an organization. In addition, they motivate employees to concentrate on increasing their efficiency, which in turn enhances organizational commitment levels and initiates positive change among them. Appropriate criteria enable organizations to design a meaningful vision statement, which facilitates the implementation of strategic plans by assessing products, alternatives, and services. The criteria outlined above create a vision statement that increases the competitiveness of an organization after a specified period of time. The vision directs employees and shapes the organization's overall destination. Similarities in criteria for designing appropriate mission and vision statements. Both mission and vision statements are designed on the basis of market analysis and concentrate on satisfying the needs of customers, as well as ensuring that an organization does not lose its competitiveness in the market. Furthermore, the criteria for designing a vision statement puts emphasis on the fact that motivation is important for employees since it increases their productivity and enables an organization to attain a competitive advantage. Differences between criteria for designing mission and vision statements. The criteria for designing a good mission statement put emphasis on the present needs that an organization should address. These include satisfaction of customers' needs, analysis of products and services, and strategies for sustaining competitive advantage. On the other hand, the main focus of a vision statement is the future of an organization, which directs the management with regard to the most important decisions that should be made for the organization to realize its goals. Furthermore, a mission statement is designed on the basis of the prevailing competitive advantage of an organization, special competencies, and resources. On the other hand, a vision statement endeavors to excite employees and trigger their emotions. This encourages them to fully participate in all organizational activities. Conclusion. Appropriate vision and mission statements enable an organization to attain competitiveness in the market. This implies that the mission and vision statements of an organization should be designed following the right criteria for the organization to succeed. They should focus on the needs of customers and the market since satisfaction of customers' needs is a critical issue that an organization should focus on. They should motivate employees and treat them as important individuals who contribute towards organizational success. In addition, mission and vision statements should assist the management in making critical decisions, which play an important role in the achievement of organizational goals. Did you like this mission and vision statements sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivpanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.